Trust me, what you're about to witness is not just a camper, it's not just an expedition vehicle, and it's definitely not your average luxury RV. This is the incredible 2026 Mercedes-Benz 6x6 Expedition Camper, a machine designed to take luxury, adventure, and off-road capability to a level most vehicles can only dream about. Welcome back to drivetrain, where we explore the most insane motorhomes, expedition trucks, and luxury adventure vehicles ever imagined. Today we're taking a deep dive into the breathtaking 2026 Mercedes-Benz 6x6 Expedition Camper, a rolling fortress built for those who refuse to choose between comfort and exploration. Imagine crossing remote deserts, climbing rugged mountain trails, exploring deep forests, and camping beside untouched lakes while carrying all the comforts of a luxury apartment with you. That's exactly what this machine was built to do. The moment you see it, you know you're looking at something extraordinary. The massive 6x6 configuration immediately dominates the landscape. 3 heavy-duty axles support 6 enormous all-terrain tires designed to tackle the harshest environments on Earth. The vehicle stands tall thanks to an advanced adaptive air suspension system that provides exceptional ground clearance and remarkable ride comfort. Up front, the iconic Mercedes-Benz grille takes center stage. A giant illuminated star logo sits proudly in the middle, surrounded by aggressive LED headlights that create an unmistakable presence day and night. Massive steel bumpers, integrated recovery hooks, heavy-duty skid plates, and powerful recovery winches make it clear that this expedition camper is built for serious adventures. Above the windshield, a full-width LED light bar transforms darkness into daylight, ensuring maximum visibility when exploring remote trails after sunset.
Every detail of the exterior serves a purpose. Every line reflects capability. Every angle projects confidence and strength. Moving along the sides, large storage compartments provide room for camping equipment, recovery gear, tools, spare parts, outdoor supplies, and everything needed for extended off-grid expeditions. A reinforced roof system carries solar panels, cargo racks, communication equipment, spare tires, and adventure gear. Massive panoramic windows stretch along the cabin, creating a sleek and modern appearance while flooding the interior with natural light. Whether you're parked beside a mountain range, overlooking the ocean, or deep within the wilderness, the surrounding scenery becomes part of the living experience. But the true magic begins once you step inside. Open the door and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than an expedition camper. Premium leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, brushed aluminum accents, and sophisticated ambient lighting create an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. The spacious lounge area becomes the heart of the cabin. Plush sofas provide the perfect place to relax after a day of adventure. A large entertainment display, premium surround sound system, and advanced connectivity features ensure occupants remain entertained no matter where the journey leads. Large panoramic windows surround the living space, providing breathtaking views in every direction. At the center of the cabin sits a beautifully designed dining area that serves as a space for meals, work, conversations, and relaxation. Every surface feels premium, every detail feels intentional, every feature enhances the experience of life on the road. Moving into the kitchen reveals a space that rivals many luxury homes. Premium stone countertops, high-end appliances, induction cooktops, microwave ovens, intelligent storage systems, and a full-size refrigerator provide everything needed to prepare gourmet meals while traveling. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before hitting the trail or preparing dinner beneath a sky full of stars, the kitchen is designed to make every meal enjoyable. Further inside lies the master suite. Here, a luxurious king-size bed creates the perfect retreat after a long day of exploration. Climate control systems maintain ideal comfort levels, while premium bedding and ambient lighting create a peaceful atmosphere. Large windows allow travelers to wake up to incredible views every morning. Additional sleeping accommodations ensure family members and guests enjoy the same level of comfort. The bathroom continues the luxury theme. A spacious walk-in shower, premium vanity, elegant fixtures, modern finishes, and intelligent storage solutions transform everyday routines into first-class experiences. This isn't simply an RV bathroom, it's a luxury hotel bathroom on wheels. Above, panoramic skylights fill the cabin with sunlight during the day and provide stunning views of the night sky after dark.
Technology plays a major role throughout the expedition camper. A fully integrated smart home system allows travelers to control lighting, climate, entertainment, security, power management, and communication systems from a central touchscreen. Voice controls add convenience, while intelligent automation simplifies everyday living. High-speed satellite internet ensures you're always connected, whether working remotely, streaming entertainment, or communicating with loved ones from remote locations. Now let's move into the cockpit.
This is where luxury and capability come together. Premium captain's chairs provide exceptional support and comfort during long-distance travel. A fully digital instrument cluster delivers real-time information including navigation, suspension settings, drivetrain performance, vehicle diagnostics, and terrain analysis. A massive central touchscreen controls navigation, camera systems, entertainment functions, off-road settings, and vehicle management systems. Multiple cameras provide a complete 360-degree view around the vehicle, making maneuvering surprisingly easy despite its size. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane-keeping technology, emergency braking, collision mitigation systems, and intelligent terrain management. Together, these features create a safer and more relaxing driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 6x6 Expedition Camper is powered by a twin-turbo diesel engine, producing over 800 horsepower and more than 1,500 pound-feet of torque. This incredible powertrain delivers outstanding towing capability, smooth highway performance, and exceptional off-road confidence. The intelligent six-wheel drive system continuously monitors traction and automatically distributes power where it's needed most. Whether you're navigating deep sand, rocky trails, muddy terrain, or snow-covered landscapes, this machine remains composed and capable. Supporting this performance is an advanced adaptive suspension system that constantly adjusts to changing terrain conditions. Rough roads become smoother, long journeys become more comfortable, challenging obstacles become easier to overcome. Massive fuel tanks, roof-mounted solar systems, advanced lithium battery storage, and intelligent energy management allow extended off-grid adventures without sacrificing comfort. This expedition camper is more than transportation. It's a self-sufficient luxury base camp designed for serious exploration. Imagine spending weeks exploring America's national parks. Imagine waking up beside a remote mountain lake. Imagine watching sunsets from places most people will never reach. Imagine enjoying all the comforts of home while living in some of the world's most beautiful locations. That's the lifestyle this vehicle was designed to deliver. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 6x6 Expedition Camper combines luxury, technology, capability, and adventure into one extraordinary package. It isn't simply a camper, it isn't simply an RV, it's a rolling luxury fortress built for limitless exploration. From deserts and mountains to forests and coastlines, this incredible machine transforms every journey into an unforgettable adventure. And if it ever becomes reality, it could easily become one of the most desirable expedition campers ever created. The only question is this: where would your first adventure take you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to drivetrain for more luxury motorhomes, expedition trucks, off-road campers, and futuristic vehicle concepts. We'll see you in the next adventure.